In the world of maritime history, few events have captured the public imagination, quite like the sinking of the RMS Titanic. More than a century after the tragedy, the mystery and fascination surrounding the ship and its fateful voyage continue to endure. Now new evidence has been unearthed, shedding fresh light on the events leading up to the Titanic's untimely demise. One of the most intriguing findings comes from a recent deep-sea expedition to the Titanic wreck site. Using state-of-the-art technology, researchers were able to create high-resolution 3D images of the shipwreck, providing unprecedented detail of the vessel's final resting place. These images have allowed experts to piece together a more comprehensive understanding of how the ship broke apart and ultimately sank to the ocean floor. Additionally, a team of scientists has been studying the composition of the metal used in the construction of the Titanic. By analyzing samples recovered from the wreck, they have discovered evidence of previously unseen levels of brittleness in the steel, which may have contributed to the ship's structural failure. This revelation challenges long-held assumptions about the quality of the materials used in the Titanic's construction and raises new questions about the role of human error in the disaster. Intriguingly, historians have also uncovered new eyewitness accounts from survivors of the Titanic sinking, offering fresh perspectives on the events of that fateful night. These accounts provide valuable insights into the decisions made by the ship's crew and the panicked chaos that ensued as the vessel began to founder. By piecing together these personal testimonies, researchers have gained a deeper understanding of the human factors at play during the disaster, adding a new layer of complexity to the Titanic's legacy. As the centenary of the Titanic's sinking approaches, the unveiling of this new evidence has reignited public interest in the enduring mystery of the ship. With each new revelation, the story of the Titanic continues to captivate and compel us to delve deeper into the history and legacy of this iconic vessel. The relentless pursuit of knowledge and understanding surrounding the Titanic serves as a testament to the enduring power of this enigmatic and tragic event. And as we continue to unearth new evidence and embark on further research, the story of the Titanic will undoubtedly continue to unfold, offering us a glimpse into the past and shining a light on one of history's most enduring mysteries.